Did you know that some of the wealthiest retirees in America are now turning to commodities to protect their nest eggs? And they're doing it for one reason: security. With inflation rising, the stock market volatile, and a looming recession, these retirees are looking for ways to secure their wealth and preserve their legacy. But here's the thing: it's not just any commodity they're investing in. Meet Jim and Susan, a couple from Scottsdale, Arizona. After spending decades in real estate, they'd saved up a nice nest egg, around $700,000 in their retirement accounts. But the uncertainty in the economy had them worried. They'd seen their investments lose value during the 2008 financial crisis, and with talk of another downturn, they couldn't afford to sit on the sidelines any longer. One afternoon, they came across an ad for a free gold IRA guide and educational call. At first, they were skeptical. Is this another one of those sales pitches? They thought. But the more they read, the more it made sense. Gold, silver, and other commodities had proven to weather financial storms better than stocks or bonds. So, they took the leap. Here's the shocking part. By rolling over just a portion of their retirement into a gold IRA, $500,000, they've not only secured their wealth from inflation, but they've also set themselves up to leave a financial legacy for their children and grandchildren. And the best part, they didn't have to worry about hidden fees, tricky contracts, or a high-pressure sales pitch. It was simply a one-on-one educational call that helped them decide what was best for their situation. So, why is this happening now? Well, let's take a step back. We're facing an economic environment unlike anything we've seen in decades. The Federal Reserve continues to raise interest rates. Inflation is still a concern, and the stock market has been unpredictable, to say the least. More and more financial experts are warning retirees about the risks of keeping all their funds tied up in traditional investments like stocks and bonds. But commodities, especially gold, have always been a safe haven. Throughout history, gold has been the go-to asset for protecting wealth during times of economic instability. And that's exactly why high net worth retirees like Jim and Susan are turning to gold IRAs. Gold has stood the test of time, and in an unpredictable world, it's a solid way to preserve purchasing power. Now, I want to be clear. This isn't about fear-mongering. It's about taking control of your financial future. Protecting your retirement isn't just about hoping for the best. It's about making smart, strategic moves. Jim and Susan weren't just reacting to a crisis. They were proactively ensuring that their hard-earned money would be there for them and their family, no matter what happens with the economy. If you're like Jim and Susan, and you're wondering whether a gold IRA is the right fit for you, don't wait any longer. Take advantage of our free gold IRA guide and no obligation educational call today. This is your chance to learn how to safeguard your retirement and prepare for the future. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, just a quick conversation to see if this could be a good fit for your situation. Remember, you've worked hard to build your wealth. Now, it's time to protect it. Imagine knowing that your retirement will be secure regardless of what happens in the world. It's not just about protecting your money. It's about protecting your legacy for the next generation. Let's make sure your retirement works for you. Get your free gold IRA guide and start your educational call today. There's no pressure, just education and the peace of mind knowing you're taking the right steps for your future. It's your future, and it deserves to be secure.